So now, to understand this machining management, I'll give an example of a door with glass cutout. So to do that, we can open a door model, go to open. You can go to archives, doors, lay on exit door. I'll open a door file. I said previously, to open a door, you can click on W followed by 6 zeros and click open. So a door model has open. Now to do the glass cutout for this particular door model, click on this, go to CAM, click on the first option, that is machining management. So when you open machining management, click on the panel. So on the upper side, we need the operation on this side. So to customize this side, we have these many operations that can be added. So milling, saw blade cut, drilling, and doubling. So milling operation can be used to do any cutout. For groove operation, we can use saw blade, or for particular any holes, we can use drilling. So now for milling, what we can do is click on milling. So we can see a milling operation is added to the upper side. So we need a glass cutout. So to do a glass cutout, we can use this shape, rectangular shape, and here we can notice the size of the door is 500 and the height is 970. So in this case, what I'll do is I will give a 300 width and 800 height. So if you need chamfer, you can give. In this case, I'll avoid it, and I should enter the tool name 10 mm route tool, and I'll leave the speed data. I need a through and through cutout, so I'll enter this, and I'll give an additional depth of 0.2. Coming to positioning, so now the initial position is here. I'll reposition according to this reference. So give around 350 and 480. That is going more. In this case, I'll reduce. Okay. And along X I given 250 and along Y I given 480. So in this way, you can place the cutout and click apply. Okay. Now you can see you have gotten cutout here. So when you are exporting this program, you will get a cutout, and if you are planning of doing a groove along when you are doing milling, you can use a profile tool along the same path. So this is the way we add the machining management. In the same way, you can also add some drill patterns or anything. So in some cases, if you need to do any additional drill for handles, so handles are present. So additionally, if you want to do any drills, click on panel, click on upper side, click on the drilling operation. Same procedure, enter the coordinates. So initially it will be in this position. So I'll reposition into 250 or 200. So you must know the coordinates. So in this case, I'm just giving a random coordinate. So I should give the depth. In this case, the depth will be 10 mm. Tool name, I'll give it as 8 mm vertical. Then click apply. So I'm getting the drill here. So you can do the drill operation wherever you need. So in this case, to shift it, 100, 100. So getting the drill. So if you are knowing the coordinates with respect to this point, you can do the drilling operation. So this is the way we use the machining management. So you can also do the groove operation using the same procedure. So after doing the operation, should use this option, save as selected entities. Go to archives, go to doors, go to our door model, that is lay on external door, and save it by any code, the code which you should remember. So this is the procedure we use the. So before doing that, before saving it, we should use this pack cam label. So you should click on reset all, click OK. Then you should save it to library. So you should don't forget this procedure, because when you are saving a object to a library, this step is compulsory. So after editing any object and you are saving it to library, this pack cam label should be given. Later you can save it to library. So this is the procedure of using machining management, this first option. The same way you have seen for customizing a single panel, that is a door. The same way you can also customize the any cabinet. For example, if I go to new file and I create a cabinet, I'll just go, I'll create a cabinet, and what I'll do is I apply any preference. In this case, I apply any preference which I already created, this preference, and click OK. So I recreated the cabinet according to my preference. I'll again apply the edge banding, confirm, apply, OK. So now I got the cabinet. So we can also check the machining in this cabinet. So again, select the cabinet, go to machining management. So in machining management, it will show all the panels. So previously we saw only a single panel, though, that is door panel. So now we have all the panels. So if we select toe kick, we can see all the operations in the toe kick. We have a trimming, we have eccentric hole, and we have front side doubling, drilling for eccentrics. So we'll get all the operations. So you can see whether the tools are applied or not, whether the depth, whether the tool type, everything is applied in a proper way. So this is the way we check the machining for the cabinet in machining management. You can also add additional operations here. You can add saw blade cut or drilling or milling operation to the existing panels.